Happy birthday, Juan. Happy birthday, Juan. Happy birthday.
Yes, good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Hello, Juan, James Michael. Happy birthday. Dayon, mukanta ko ni mo, Ju. Here's a birthday song for you, celebrant, celebrant. Here's a birthday song for you, kind and true. May you walk upon God's care like a lily blooms of hair. Here's a birthday song for you, celebrant. Happy birthday, Juan. Happy birthday, Juan. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Juan. Happy birthday, Jo. Happy birthday, Juan. Many more birthdays to come and many more blessings to ours. Kay busog much kaayo mi basta makakaon na pud mi sa imong mga blessing. Salamat, Juan, and happy birthday. God bless. Love you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday sa'yo, Joanne. Happy and blessed birthday, Jo. May the divine providence bless you always. Give you good health, joy, and happiness. Happy birthday, Joanne.
Happy birthday, Juan. Happy birthday, Juan. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hi, Jo. Happy birthday to you, Jo. More birthdays to come, Jo. Good health sa imuha o sa imuhang family. More blessings to come. Kay aron mabusog mi permi, Jo, no? Makakaon mi permi sa imong birthday, Jo. Stay humble, Jo. I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Thank you. Amping kanunay. God bless. Bye. Happy birthday, Juan. Happy birthday, Juan. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, dear Juan.
Happy birthday, Juan.
Oh, message nyo naman ni Juan there.
Ay, more years to come. Good health and most more prosperous life.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Jo.
Happy birthday, Jo. Akong pag-ampo nga tagaan pagkagtaas kaya kinabuhi, Jo. Antod sa maabot na taog 80 years old or more. Kay ka generous nga friend. You're like a sister to me. Even though dili ta mag-talk as all the time, but my love for you is always there. I love you, Jo. Thank you sa imong generosity. Nga ang imong blessing miabot jud kanunay dire sa Pilipinas. Ma-enjoy mig-apil imong mga classmates. Salamat jud ko sa Ginoo nga nako mga classmates sama ninyo kay dili jud boring ang akong life kay naamo kanunay. No? One call away. Na-jud mo diha ra. I love you guys. I love you, Jo. Happy birthday. I hope na mag-enjoy jud ka sa imong big day with your family. I love you, Jo. Happy birthday.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Juan, my love. I wish you all the best. More happiness and good health always. Diyos, salamat kaayo sa imong pagkabuutan, sa imong pagkamanggihunahunaon, sa imong mga classmates, sa imong pagkapapinanggaon, diri ka namo. kanunay din kabusog sa imong birthday, kay dili ka makalimot sa pag-share sa imong blessings diri namo. Malipay na pod ni ani Jo, promise. As in malipay na sad mi kay magkatapok ni, malipay na sad mi kay mabusog ni ani pohon. Salamat kayo sa imong kamaayo Jo ha. Stay healthy lang gid kanunay. I love you, Jo, and I miss you. I hope to see you soon. Huwag kita magkita pag uli ni mo diri. But I hope, puhon-puhon, pag uli ni mo, magkita na ta. Enjoy your birthday. Basta, I hope lang happy ka diha ka ba sa mga family, sa mga friends. Basta, mag-video ko lang tapuhon yung magkatapos ni ha. Take care, Jo. I love you so much. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, my love. God bless you more, Jo. Take care. Happy birthday.